Cities has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Rock Island County, Whiteside County, northwestern Henry County, southeastern Carroll County, northeastern Scott County, eastern Clinton County, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from near McCausland to near Kelowna, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Port Byron and Osborne around 8:55 p.m. Comanche and Lowmore around 9 p.m. Albany and East Clinton around 9:05 p.m. Clinton, Fulton, Erie, and Garden Plain around 9:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of these tornadic storms include Morrison, Prophetstown, Linden, Argo, Fairhaven, Tampico, Chadwick, Colita, and Milledgeville. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Henry, Rock Island, and Whiteside, and the following counties in Iowa: Clinton and Scott. The severe thunderstorm warning for north